this is a part 2 on the Tic Tac situation and others like it. So, an object is at 60,000 feet in the air, and it drops to 50 feet, this Tic Tac looking object. And it hovers. It drops and catches itself. How does it do that? I don't know, but what I can tell you is this. An F-16 can turn at around 9 g-force. Around 18 g-force, it's going to start to dismantle in some way. Disintegration, probably. Now, that object that made that maneuver, the Tic Tac, is doing stuff more than tenfold that. It seems that this object would be capable of making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 g-force turns. Now let's think about the first question surrounding that. How would you live if you were inside? The answer is, you wouldn't, conventionally. So if you made that turn in any aircraft, you'd be ripped apart, you'd die. But let's say there was a gravitational bubble around you, and you were traveling through space and time, and this object essentially distorts space-time, and it pulls itself, folding a piece of paper from A to B, right? Almost like a teleportation in a sense. Then you would actually be unscathed. Okay. Second question. Well, Cole or Richard, that doesn't make any sense. Like, this thing was probably unmanned. Okay, I'm hearing you. It could totally be an unmanned vehicle. But if an F-16 burns up and disintegrates, turning at 18 g-force, how is an object such as the Tic Tac meant to withstand that with or without someone? You would need a material so strong. Sure, the shape of the object's different, and maybe we could make something that can, turn, drop, like sort of a little bit more like that. Like, maybe he can even withstand 30 g-force. But 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 g-force just seems like such a leap for humanity. And I'm not here to tell you that means it's not a human invention. I'm just here to tell you that that's very strange. And it's just something to look at. My next video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about how there are liars in this community that have been confirmed to be liars, because you're not a liar until you're confirmed to be. I like to kind of play by that rule. You shouldn't face scrutiny for telling the truth, even if it sounds crazy. And sometimes people jump very quickly to call people liars. And yeah, these videos are mainly focusing on the stigma of this topic.